In this video, we'll deal with the error. A device attached to the system is not functioning. Very first thing that you can try, just go to the start icon, or you can hold Alt key and F4 key together. You'll see this Windows. What you're gonna choose? Restart. Hit the OK button. This will restart your PC. Come back and check it again. This error should be gone. Otherwise, proceed to the next step. In the next step, you're gonna update your Windows 11. Go to Settings. You're gonna tap Windows Update. Click on it. And then after, you can download and install if there is any update available to download and install. Otherwise, you can manually check for the update, give a time to check, and then install the necessary update. Restart your PC again. Updating your Windows will update all the necessary features that needs to be updated. Sometime doing this will fix some of the minor issue. Come back and check it again. Your error should be gone. Otherwise, proceed to the next step. In this step, you're going to use the different port. Your PC has a number of USB port. You can see here I have a USB port. Couple of USB port I have on the other side of the laptop. Try to use the different USB port if you are getting this error from USB port. So using the different USB port might fix this issue. If the issue still exists, proceed to the next step. In this step, here you're gonna see my PC. Okay, here you have this PC. Give a right click on it. Click on Show More option, and then you're gonna click on Manage. Now right over here, you're gonna click on Device Manager. Here you have lots of driver. If you are getting the error from USB port, you're gonna update your USB driver. You're gonna check for the USB driver. You're gonna see here I have a universal serial bus. I have a number of USB driver. You can just update the driver. Give a right click on it and you can update your driver. So you can update all the USB drivers, the number of port you have. So one by one, you're gonna update all the USB driver. Still the issue exists. You can try a scan for the hardware change. Still the problem exists. You can uninstall the driver and then restart your PC. When you restart your PC, this driver will be installed automatically again. So just give a right click on it and then click on uninstall. Even if you uninstall all these USB driver and restart your PC, all this driver will be installed again automatically. So uninstall one by one all these driver, restart your PC and check it if the issue is gone. Even you can manually download the USB driver for the specific PC, a specific brand. You know which laptop you are using and which brand you are using. If desktop, which brand you are using and which laptop, which model you are using, you can download the driver for the specific laptop or the desktop and install manually. For the most laptop nowadays, when you just uninstall and restart your PC, driver will be automatically installed, USB driver. If not, you have to manually download and install in case. So just uninstall and restart your PC and check if issue is gone. If the problem is with the other, you can do same with the other driver also. If you are getting this USB with your printer, USB cable or some other Suppose let's say you are getting this error for some other drivers that you have installed over here manually. You can just try to update those drivers instead of USB driver. So the problem is not always with the USB. If you are getting this error message for some other drivers or some other functions, you can just update those drivers. So same procedure, you can give a right click on it, scan for the hardware change. You can see if it is integrated, you can just update the drivers even for the monitors. So different types of drivers over here. So if you are getting the error for whichever driver, you're gonna just give a right click on it and scan for the hardware change. Or when you just click on this drop down icon, just give a right click on it and just update the driver. So if the issue still exists, you can just proceed to the next step. So here in this step, if you have a problem with a SD card or a USB pen drive or a USB some other device or driver that you are using, external hard disk or whatever, just give a right click on it and then you just format it. So you'll have a option to format. If you do not get, click on show more option and then here you have option to format. So you're gonna format that drive and then you're gonna check it if that device is working again fine for the next time. So in this step you're gonna try formatting the drive. Now in this step what you're gonna do is here you have a CMD. You're gonna go to the search and you're gonna type CMD and you're gonna see this command prompt. You're gonna run as an administrator. So when you run this command prompt as an administrator, you get the option to choose whether yes or no. So you're gonna choose yes for this. So always choose yes so that you can open it as an administrator. Now you have opened the command prompt as an administrator. What you're gonna do is you're gonna run couple of commands over here. If you run those commands, so this is the very first command that you're gonna run. Even I've left it in the comment section down below. You're gonna check over there. Sorry, in a description, not in the comment section. You're gonna check it in a description. It is like dism.exe/online/cleanup image/restore health and then press enter key. So it will restore your PC health. So this might fix this issue. So it's gonna take time to check it and finish it. So let it finish and then you can check if the issue is gone. If it gonna ask you to restart PC, you're gonna restart the PC and your issue should be gone. If it's still the issue exists, you can proceed to the next step. So if this do not fix the issue, you're gonna run one more command, sfc/scan now. So this will scan your PC. Scanning gonna take some time. So let it finish and then after we proceed to the next step. So no violation found, 100% completed. So doing all this should fix the issue. Still the issue exists. Proceed to the next step. So in this step, if you are doing all this is also do not fix your issue, you're gonna take the backup or you're gonna just move all the files from your C drive download folder to some other folder and then you're gonna click on reset this PC. So resetting this PC is like a fresh start. So if you click on reset PC, whether you're gonna keep files or remove everything, so better to remove everything. If you want, you can just keep files. So when you click on it, it will get the things ready and it will take some time to reset the PC. Could not find the recovery environment. Insert the Windows installations or recovery media to reset, to restart your PC with the media. So sometime it's gonna ask you for the Windows installation or recovery media. In that case, you're gonna use your bootable USB flash drive, or you're gonna use sometime you're gonna use so even DVD. So I'm just going to try again with this bootable USB flash drive. I'll just put it in. I'll close it and I am just going to try it again. So make sure you have inserted it properly, and now you can just try resetting the PC. Sometimes it will not ask you for any media. Since my PC has some other minor issue that I could not do this over here. So sometime if you just click on reset this PC, it will not ask you for any media and it will reset. It is like a factory reset, like you do in your smartphone. You will do the factory reset in the same way. It will be like a newly installed PC, like you fresh start or factory reset your smartphone, and your smartphone everything is deleted and all the software is like a newly installed. Your PC will be like a newly installed. All the errors, everything will go away, and your PC will be like a newly installed in a C drive. Make sure you move all the files from your C drive download folder to some other drive, which drive you are not formatting, because while resetting the PC or while manually installing the PC with the USB flash drive, you will only be using the C drive. You will only format your C drive, not other drive. So when you're moving your all important files to some other drive like D, E and other, your file still remains. Or what you can do is you can just restart your PC. You can or you can put your PC in a safe mode. This is the next thing you can try. So if you want to go with the advanced startup, just click on restart now. So before we proceed to the another step, like you are putting it in a safe mode. So let's say if your pen drive is detected and it is not working, if your error is with the pen drive, you can just verify it, checking it. Just give a right click on it. Suppose this is my pen drive. It's a 4 GB pen drive, and I got the error for this particular device. Give a right click on it, click on properties, and then after you're going to click on tools. Suppose if you cannot see. Okay, let me show you once again. Okay. So if it was not visible, you can see it once again. So you can see this is my pen drive. It's a 4 drive. It's a 4 GB, 5 GB pen drive. It's inserted and it is. I got the error with this particular pen drive and it's not working. So give a right click on it. As soon as you give a right click, you're gonna click on properties, and then you can just select. You just have to select to go to the tools tab. Here is the tools, and then click on check. You can scan the drive. So this will scan your drive. It will check for the errors. If there is any errors, it's gonna display the errors. So you can just do this one before proceed to the next step if your device has any kinds of error. So this will help you easy to fix when you know what exactly is the error. Now what you're gonna do next is we'll put the PC in a safe mode. So in order to start your PC in a safe mode, at first you're going to type reset. Click on reset the PC and this will open this window. As soon as you see this, you're going to see here you have an option to restart now. So click on restart now. You're going to see this pop up. Click on restart now. Now here you're going to click on troubleshoot, startup setting. And in order to put your PC in a safe mode, you can see enable safe mode. At first you have to restart the PC again. So you're going to restart the PC exactly from this place. Now here you have a number of options to choose. You're going to see here at the bottom you have a message. Press enter to return to the operating system, or you can press the number to choose from the options. You can use the key or a function key F1 to F9. So for number 1 you're going to use F1, for number 9 you're going to use F9 respectively. So enable safe mode is in the number 4, so I'm going to use F4 key in my keyboard. So as soon as you press F4 key, now it is going to boot the PC in a safe mode. Now I can log in into my PC. Now my PC is in a safe mode. So let's say I had a problem with my USB, so flash drive or whatever drive in a PC. Now I'm going to use those drive in a safe mode and it should be working fine. Now you can access your device, external device, all the device that you have attached to your PC through the USB port or some other port. Now you can access it in a safe mode. You must be able to access it in a safe mode. If this issue also, if this problem is not fixed yet, if this solution also do not help you, I've guided a number of solutions in this video. So you're gonna try some other solutions if you know, or you can contact to the nearby support. You're gonna check for other solutions over the internet, or you can just contact the nearby support. So either solutions from this video might help you. So this is all the solution that we have for this video. You can share this video, like, subscribe and comment.